A hearty welcome to the science session. Hope you all are doing good. So, have you ever observed your nature? Just see what all things you can see in this picture: people, river, grass, stones, trees, tall buildings, sky, isn't it? Beyond that, can you see anything else? There are living organisms that we are not able to see with our naked eyes. In this chapter, we are going to deal with microorganisms, friends or foe. The concepts to be covered in this lesson will be microorganisms and its different types, useful and harmful microorganisms, food preservation, and at last nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. So what are microorganisms? The word micro itself says that they are so small that we cannot see with our naked eyes. Microorganisms are also called as microbes. What we need is a microscope or a magnifying glass to see microorganisms. So where do these microorganisms live? They live from very cold climate to hot springs, from deserts to marshy lands. They also live in animals including human beings. That means they live everywhere. Basically, there are 5 different groups of microorganisms: bacteria, algae, protozoa, virus, and fungi. Now we can deal with one by one. The first one is bacteria. Bacteria are mostly single-celled or unicellular organisms. Cell, as you all know, is the basic unit of life. We human beings are also made up of cells, but we are multicellular and well-developed organism. When compared to us, bacteria is made up of only one single cell. Otherwise, they are unicellular. And they are not able to live independently. They live in colonies, and each colony will be containing millions of cells. An example is Escherichia coli or E. coli. Basically, they are found in 3 different shapes: spherical shaped bacteria, rod shaped bacteria, and spiral shaped bacteria. The next one you are going to deal with is algae. They are simple plant-like structured organisms in the sense they are able to carry out the process of photosynthesis. Mostly they are seen in water bodies. That's why they are aquatic in nature. They are both unicellular and multicellular organisms. Some of the examples are Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra. You are also familiar with algal blooms in lakes. The third category is protozoans. Protozoans are mostly unicellular organisms and they are aquatic in nature. One of the examples is Paramecium and the other one is familiar to you, that is amoeba. Oh, what is this? Mold in a bread, right? This can be included in this group fungi. They are also plant-like organisms, but they do not contain chlorophyll. They also exist in unicellular or multicellular form. Some other example is Aspergillus niger and Penicillium. HIV, hepatitis B, adenovirus, influenza, bacteriophage, what are they? They are nothing but viruses, smaller than any other non-cell. And what makes them different from other microorganisms is that they reproduce only inside the cells of host organism. The host may be a bacterium, plant, or an animal. Hope you have got a clear idea on microorganisms and its various types. As an activity part, you have to design a poster displaying labeled pictures of microbes under distinct headings. And as a life skill activity, you have to write 3 steps that to prevent molding of bread. All the other topics will be covered in the coming videos. Till then, bye.